Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's Homeowner.
And I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf.
Here's a few summer maintenance tips for you. Number one, get that deck ready. If you have any loose railings, make sure you get some deck screws and tighten them up. Also, your air conditioner drain line inside, pour that cup of bleach in and that'll prevent problems. Also, you might not think about it, but call the chimney sweep. They're available. They'd love to get your call. You might even get a discount.
And if you're ready to clean your windows, nobody likes doing it, but make it easy by using vinegar and water, 50-50 solution, and then use a wadded up ball of newspaper to wipe it down instead of those paper towels that can leave behind residue. When you're ready to clean your outdoor furniture, just use a bucket of soap and water and a quality scrub brush. It'll be just as easy as anything else to clean, and you'll have it clean and ready to sit in for the summer.
If you find a few cracks here and there on any of the furniture or any of your deck or anything, use a good quality wood glue to really tie it back together. We found a little split here and Chelsea used Tight Bond 3. We also used that to build these Adirondack chairs a couple years ago. It's the certainly the ultimate wood glue, waterproof, good for inside or outside. Speaking of inside, you're going to spend a lot of time inside because it's time for a little air conditioning. And when you think about air conditioning, you need to think about the SEER rating, seasonal energy efficient ratio. The higher the number, the lower your utility bill. Most homes average between 16 and 20 on their SEER rating. The one we installed has a 42 SEER rating.
And it's from Carrier. It's their mini split ductless system, and what that means is there's no ductwork run. It's just this unit inside and then the condenser unit outside, and it just is perfect for an addition or enclosing a garage, and it's pretty cool in here.
And it is very quiet. It's running full speed right now and you can't even hear it. It was installed in less than a day, has a remote control so that you don't even have to get off the couch in order to keep it nice and cool. Also has a humidity sensing device, which when the humidity in the house gets up to a certain level, it will turn on and lower that humidity, which is very important for the comfort level inside your home. So a lot of times when people build additions onto their home, they're relying on their existing heating and cooling system. It rarely works. You can find out more on this and a lot of other things to maintain your house this summer by going to todayshomeowner.com.